Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best extra large dog houses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Homes Outdoor Wood Doghouse. Are your dogs so big that you can't even lift them anymore? They will fit right into this Midwest Homes Outdoor Extra Large Wood Doghouse. It's made of wood and designed for large dogs below 80 pounds. It is made with water-resistant, stained wood that gives a new look and feels to the doghouse. With its stainless steel hinges, it requires minimal maintenance, and you don't have to worry about rusting or paint peeling off in time. The asphalt shingle composite roof is also highly durable. This material is well known in the construction industry to last between 15 to 40 years. You'll be glad to know that this doghouse is super easy to install and assemble. It comes pre-assembled. All you need to do is unfold it and attach the roof. No tools are needed. A great product at a decent price point. This extra large doghouse from Midwest Homes is an excellent choice for your canine companion because it has all of the features that make it cozy and comfortable without sacrificing quality or strength. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Petsfit Extra Large Doghouse. A large dog breed can take up so much space upon maturity, and you will find it difficult to house your dog in the doghouse you bought for it back when it was just a puppy. This roomy extra large doghouse from Petsfit with spacious dimensions measuring 45.6 inches long by 30.9 inches wide by 32.1 inches tall should help you out. Your big pup will definitely seek comfort in this big house, as it is able to stretch the legs, move around and sleep peacefully. This is an extra large doghouse with a raised floor, which means it won't get flooded when it rains, and it won't flatten or damage your precious lawn. In addition to its construction from waterproof and weather-resistant wood, this doghouse is super cute and looks like the pet version of a Cape Cod house. The only downside to using this type of wood is that it can be quite hard for your dog to sleep in. But, you could always add a few blankets and a sleeping cushion to make it extra comfy for your pet pooch. With this extra large doghouse, you won't feel guilty about making your dog sleep outside because you'll know it has its comfy abode to retire to. This Cape Cod style extra large doghouse from Petsfit comes with pre-drilled holes for easy assembly. The roof is detachable such that you can open up the top, and your dog will enjoy the skylight. It makes it that much easier to keep the house clean too. At number 3, we have the Ferplast DogVilla Doghouse. The Ferplast DogVilla is constructed from durable plastic material that is equally effective at keeping out rays and protecting dogs from harmful UV rays. This DogVilla kennel features a patented fold-out porch design that provides extra living space for the pooch, and a fold-out door located either on the left or right side grants easy access to the DogVilla. This doghouse offers built-in ventilation to ensure optimum airflow, and its drainage system helps keep the villa, and by extension, the pooch, dry at all times. It measures 28.74 inches long by 23.23 inches wide by 20.87 inches tall, which makes it suitable for use with small dogs only. Additionally, this DogVilla kennel can be easily assembled without any tools, and in situations when it becomes necessary to move the DogVilla, dismantling can be done in a jiffy. The Ferplast DogVilla is portable and provides dog owners with a convenient means of housing their small furry friends. And the doghouse's built-in ventilation system, coupled with a drainage system, ensures the pooch will be comfortable at all times. At number 2, we have the Starplast Doghouse Kennel. Give your large breed dog its own special home with this adorable Starplast extra large doghouse. It comes in a matte mocha brown color combination and has a terracotta-style roof that'll look elegant next to your house. This durable doghouse is made of UV-stabilized polypropylene plastic, which makes it long-lasting and resistant to rust. It will not fade or be easily damaged by the weather, so you can keep your pup out in any season. The innovative design includes an open doorway for fresh air circulation when needed, plus a PVC floor that keeps warmth inside during cold winter days. This ensures maximum comfort for both humans and dogs alike. This product from Starplast comes in 2 neutral colors, namely brown and beige, and at an affordable price point. However, this extra-large doghouse is not elevated, which might make it unsuitable for certain climates. And finally at number 1, we have the TRIXIE Natura Classic Outdoor Doghouse. The Natura Classic Outdoor Doghouse from TRIXIE is the perfect spot for your dog to enjoy a calm nap when it's too hot or cold to be outside. It's made from solid pine with a nice glazed finish, which means it's made to last. It requires very little maintenance, thanks to its gloss finish. As part of its thoughtful design, this extra-large doghouse comes with an off-center door for added protection from the elements. This is in addition to a tongue and groove and drought-resistant exterior that protects against rain, snow, and sleet. But, don't let its wooden finish fool you. This house isn't stuffy or constricting. On the contrary, it's well ventilated due to a duo of locking arms that can be pried open from the hinged roof to let in some fresh air and even some sun. This feature also makes it easier for you to clean the house when you need to. This extra-large doghouse from TRIXIE stands on an elevated platform with extra high feet that help to prevent flooding. This feature will also guarantee comfort and protection from extreme weather conditions. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.